Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. Mighty River Power seems back in the news again. Again, we've seen a little bit of nervous selling out there. Did get down to around the low 230s. A small bounce today so far in trading, but really don't get panicked on this sell-off here. The investment case really hasn't changed, and if you bought them on the IPO, then you're going to get the bonus shares after holding the shares for 2 years. And I say, for the medium term, for the longer term, it does look a reasonable investment. So don't get panicked out just because the share price has fallen below the issue price of $2.50. Those of you that hold the Genesis Power Capital notes will be receiving your election notices in the post very shortly. That's the renegotiation of the terms there, taking it down from 8.5, which is the current interest rate, down to around sort of 5.8 to 6.1. Now you do have an option that if you do not wish to go into on the new terms, you can elect to have your funds paid back to you. But if you do wish to take up the new terms, then you have to sign that and return it to the registry. But if you are unsure on what all of that means, give us a call on 0800 867 323. There's a tiny little bit of the Infratel bond left. That's been pretty highly sought after. That is 6.85% until June 2022. I said there is probably a tiny little bit of that left, and if you are interested in that fixed interest offer, call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz. Elsewhere, equity markets have been a little bit nervous. There's certainly been quite a bit of gyrating around in the equity markets. But if you look at certainly the latest data coming out of the US economy, that's creeping along at a pretty reasonable rate. Again, they created further jobs for the latest release, and now it's a question, I think, of when, not if, the Fed starts to taper off that quantitative easing, as the economy really is showing some reasonable signs of strength. Most notably in the sort of core areas as well, with sort of housing and unemployment now starting to fall, house prices starting to rise, and people feeling a little bit more confident about firstly their job situation, and then that's now transferring into spending, etc. So certainly global markets do look as though they've got a little bit further upside to go, and if you do wish to review that equity portfolio, call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz. For lots of interesting articles, Infratel investment statement, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.